Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning July 18th to the 24th in my 2022 memory planner. I'm using this kit from CaressPress called, I'm trying to read it, but I can't see it. It will be in the title, I just don't remember. I paired it with some blue tie-dye foil from PlanWithAds in the tie-dye pattern, and also some purple tie-dye foil as well. I kind of did a mixed metal moment here, and I thought it went perfect with this kit. Of course, I was color blocking and this extended on basically every single day. It was a busy week and it was a really hot week, and I love how it turned out with the color blocking. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to let you guys listen to some music while I finish with the base, and then I'll come back when it's time for the day by day. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so let's start off with the sidebar. So I noted it being super hot this week with a SBC scribbler, like an old school one, in a bathing suit. And then noted it was the 22nd week of my maternity leave with a sticker from Bella Plan Ella and a script from PMD Stickers. So let's start with Monday. At the top of Monday, I used a Honeybee Shop sticker to note being tired. I then used a paper shower sticker to note cuddling with my son and a cuddle time script from PlanWithAds. I noted having some breakfast with the bagel icon from Ebeneezer's Creation and a brekkie script from PlanWithAds. Both of these PlanWithAds scripts are from my custom multi sheet. In the extender, I noted that I bought a slush puppy machine with this cup icon from the PlanWithAds icon sheet. I noted it being hot AF with another scribbler sticker. Sorry if you can hear my baby snoring, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I use this crying bear sticker from Bubba Bear Studios to note Malik was moody again. The script is from Adorably Amy Designs. I use this grocery cart icon from PlanWithAds and the Tesco delivery script from PlanWithAds to note getting my Tesco delivery. I noted that I was in my feelings and a bit moody this day with a Olive Studio character and a Moody Mama custom script from PlanWithAds. I noted that Malik was playing with this Paper K character and a playtime script from Mick Plans. Goodness me. Next, I noted that Malik almost crawled this day with a PMD sticker character. It's so weird, like going through these plans, because now he's basically running. So it's funny that in this time of my life he was just about to crawl. I then use a heart icon from PlanWithAds and also with my nephew script, also from PlanWithAds, to note that I spent some time with my nephew. I then use a TV icon from PlanWithAds to note watching Love Island. On to Tuesday, I used another Honeybee Shop and this Mama is Tired sticker. Next, I noted Cuddles with Malik with a Mick Plan sticker and a script from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted giving Malik a bath with a paper shower sticker and a bath script from PlanWithAds. I noted it being hot AF again with a sun sticker from the Honeybee Shop. Next, I noted breakfast again with another bagel from Ebeneezer's Creation. I noted that Malik and my nephew were playing with this Playdate sticker from Stick with the Planko and with my cousin's script from PlanWithAds. Sometimes I cut off the S to note with my cousin, but I sometimes get lazy, so I just left it like this. I then use this ice lolly sticker from What With Love to note that we ate ice lollies, and then Malik had a milk ice lolly, so yeah. Then I used a TV icon from the foil bundle, from the Plan Hannah foil bundle, and the Plan With Me Binge script from Plan Hannah to note a Plan With Me Binge. I noted Malik having a FaceTime call with his grandma with a phone icon from Planner Hannah, and with my grandma script from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted that his grandma got him some shoes with a gift icon from the foil bundle. I then used a TV from Planner Hannah to note watching more Love Island. On to Wednesday, at the top of Wednesday, I noted it being hot again with a sun icon from the Honeybee shop. I noted being super tired with bed and script from Planner Hannah. I noted that Malik was chilling in his buggy while I got things done with the buggy icon from Planner Hannah. And then, of course, it was to make my breakfast, which was a bagel with the bagel icon from Beneath's Creation, which is what I used all week. I used another Sigil Panko character sticker to note Malik and my nephew playing. Then I noted editing some videos with a... what's this thing called? This YouTube slate thing from Planner Hannah and an edit script from Planner Face. I noted more cuddles with this Make Plans character sticker and a Malik cuddles script from Beneath's Creation. No, from Adorably Amy Designs. I just see random shops at this point. Next, I noted Malik was in a happy mood with this Bubba Bear Studio bear. I noted that my brother was playing with Malik with this sticker from PMD Stickers, and with my uncle script from Planner Hannah. I noted getting some takeout with this icon from Planner Hannah and script also from Planner Hannah. Then I used this TV from Planner Hannah to note watching Love Island. On to Thursday, I noted that my husband, was having a day off with a house icon from Planner Hannah and a day off script from Happy Sticker Designs. I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs, so if you use Adiatu15, you can get 15% off of your order and my freebie. And if she's having a sale, you can just put my name in the notes to sell it and get my freebie. Then use an alarm clock and a script from Planner Hannah to note getting up early. Excuse me. I then used a bath sticker from Papershire and a bath script from Planner Hannah to note Bath and Malik. I then noted running some errands as a family with this Teddy Plans Co. family custom sticker and a run errand script from Happy Sticker Designs. I used this baby girl icon from the kit to note getting a new birth certificate for Malik because his first one didn't have his dad's name because his dad had to be there physically, which I didn't know at the time. Then I noted we went to Aldi to stock up on some nappies with this nappy sticker from Beneath's Creation. Then I noted getting some takeout with the burger icon from what's it called? Paper Candy Art, that's it. I noted getting some Starbucks with this Fox and Cactus Starbucks sticker and a Starbucks script from Planner Hannah. I noted more cuddles with a Make Plan sticker and a Adorably Amy Designs, that's what it's called, Adorably Amy Designs script. I noted pumping some milk with this Sweet Ava's paper cat. I noted being in a bit of a mood with another Olive and then Moody Mouse script from Planner Hannah and another TV icon from Planner Hannah to note Love Island. On Friday, I noted being super tired with this crying cat sticker from Sweet Ava's paper and a slip-like sticker from Planner Hannah. Noted that I had a bad tummy ache with a poop icon from SBC. I noted throwing up with this whimsy sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio. No, it was Whimsical Cat Studio. It's now called Whimsy. I then noted being in my mum's room, laying there because while she looked after Malik because I was really ill, with this glam planner mum and daughter sticker and a with mum script from Planner Hannah. I noted that my husband bought my push present for giving birth with this bag icon from the foil bundle. I noted that the house was so noisy with the kids with this Sweet Ever's paper cat with a stethoscope, what's it called? That thing, the horn thing, I don't remember what it's called. Then noted having a really late breakfast, so let's say brunch. Somebody's snoring loudly there, with a Beneath Creation bagel. Then I used this pill icon from PlanWithAds to know I took lots of tablets to help with my pain. I noted that Malik was moody this night with a like tantrum icon from What's With Love, and then I used a bed sticker from PMD Stickers to note that he got no sleep, meaning I got no sleep. And finally, I noted watching Love Island with another PlanWithAds TV. On to Saturday, I noted my husband going to the gym with this gym bike icon from PlanWithAds and a with babe script from PlanWithAds. I obviously didn't go with him. I then used this pillow icon from the Honeybee shop and a Tired AF script from PlanWithAds to know I was super tired. I noted cuddling with Malik with a Mick Plan sticker and a Adorably Amy design script. I noted Malik chilling in the buggy while I got stuff done with this Crafty Planner Co. buggy. I noted making some more breakfast with another bagel sticker from Beneath Creation. Then I noted a Plan With Me binge with this computer icon from PlanWithAds. I noted Malik and his cousin playing again with another Stick With The Plan Co. sticker and with my cousin's script from PlanWithAds. Then I noted watching Heart of Dixie, which I want to watch again because it was such a good show, with a TV icon from PlanWithAds. I used this ice cream sticker from What's With Love to note that Malik had more of his breast milk ice release, which is what I was pumping for from Thursday. Then noted being moody with this pink Diamond Planner Co sticker and a Moody Madam custom script from Adorably Amy Designs. This was such a busy week, goodness. On to Sunday, I noted, sorry I can't open up my extender. I noted my husband going to the gym again with this weight icon from the kids and a with babe script from PlanWithAds. I noted more cuddles with Malik with a Mick Plans character and a with Malik script from PlanWithAds. I noted more playtime with a Stick With The Plan Co sticker and a with my cousin script from PlanWithAds. Then I noted washing my hair with a Sweet Avis paper sticker and a wash hair script from Adorably Amy Designs. And then I noted doing my second retie with a sugary gal shop girl. Next I noted that Malik was moody again with a Sweet Avis paper sticker and a Moody Malik custom script from Adorably Amy Designs. After that, I used a laptop icon from Plan Face to note a Plan With Me binge and a TV icon from PlanWithAds and a TV time script from PlanWithAds to note watching more Love Island. And then finally, I noted my husband gaming with a controller icon from Vox and Cactus and a J Gaming custom script from PlanWithAds. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. I'm going to show you guys what was left of the kit and a wiggle to see all this beautiful foil. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.